Sawadee krap, hi to all of you, our travel and food buddies. Welcome to the vibrant and bustling Chiang Mai Night Bazaar. Tonight, we're diving into the heart of this lively market, encouraging you to enjoy the local flavors that make Chiang Mai truly unique. Let's embark on a culinary adventure together. Alright guys, so titikman natin ngayon itong sikat na kebab, Turkish kebab dito sa Chiang Mai. Isa ito sa mga dinarayong restaurant dito sa Chiang Mai Night Bazaar. So I will order lamb Turkish kebab. Tara, tikman natin. What sets this kebab experience apart is the genuine touch of Turkey brought to Thailand by the owner and head chef, both hailing from the heart of Istanbul. Their commitment to authenticity is not merely symbolic. It's a culinary philosophy that has been meticulously instilled in the Thai kitchen staff through a thoughtful blend of Turkish techniques and local flavors. The team has created a menu that seamlessly captures the essence of Istanbul's rich culinary heritage. Every bite is a journey through the bustling streets of Turkey, promising a feast for the senses that transcends geographical boundaries. Additionally, our commitment to inclusivity extends to our Muslim friends, with a range of stalls offering delicious halal choices, ensuring that everyone can indulge in a feast that reflects the rich mosaic of global cuisines. The experience extends to include the lively entertainment scene. The bazaar transforms into a vibrant hub with a fantastic bar offering a diverse selection of beers, wines, and whiskeys, ensuring to complement every palate. Whether you're a beer lover, a wine, or a whiskey enthusiast, the carefully curated bar menu adds another layer of enjoyment to your evening. Take a break from the culinary delights and engage in some friendly competition at the game area. The Chiang Mai Night Bazaar provides an inviting space for patrons to enjoy a game of billiards or try their hand at darts, adding a playful and interactive element to the evening. Whether you're challenging friends or making new acquaintances over a game, these games adds an extra dimension to your visit, ensuring that the night is not only a feast for your taste buds, but also a memorable social experience. So sip on your favorite drink, embrace the lively ambience, and make the most of the diverse offerings that make the Chiang Mai Night Bazaar a destination where culinary excellence and entertainment seamlessly converge. Our night market is a melting pot of flavors, featuring Western, Arabic, and Indian food options that cater to a variety of palates. Diverse selection ensures there's something to satisfy every craving. Dive into the world of revitalizing fruit juices with options like fruity and shake. These beverages not only quench your thirst, but also infuse your body with the goodness of natural vitamins and antioxidants. While strolling through the night bazaar, don't forget to marvel at the captivating expressions of local Thai artists adorning the market's walls. These vibrant murals serve as dynamic canvases that breathe life into the surroundings, each stroke of paint telling a unique story, from scenes depicting traditional Thai festivals to intricate portrayals of everyday life, where art and commerce seamlessly coexist. Elevate your dining experience with a side of enchanting melody as the night market comes alive with harmonious tunes of a live band. Immerse yourself in the soulful sound as they serenade you with a captivating blend of Thai melodies and popular English hits. Whether you're dining with friends, family, or savoring a moment of solitude, the live music creates a captivating atmosphere, turning your dinner into a delight. Catering to every preference, from the iconic ambience of the Hard Rock Cafe to the laid-back charm of our street bars. Whether you're seeking the familiarity of international brands or eager to explore local Thai favorites, our extensive beverage selection has something for everyone. Sip on a range of Thai and foreign brands, each glass a testament to the rich tapestry of global and local flavors. You'll find that the market is not just a shopping destination, but a vibrant showcase of the city's creative spirit. The night market provides a dynamic setting where you can savor your preferred beverage and immerse yourself in the unique charm of each venue. For convenience, navigating the night market is a breeze. Transportation options abound, from the iconic tuk-tuks and vibrant songtails lining the street corners. Grab motorcycles are also available, ready to take you away to your next destination. For those preferring a touchy modernity, the ease of Grab car or motorcycle is just a mobile app away, ensuring that you can focus on savoring the experiences and flavors the night market has to offer without any logistical hassle. For the dedicated shopaholics among us, the night market unfolds as a treasure trove of your delights. As you walk through the bustling streets, you'll find stalls adorned with an array of souvenirs, authentic Thai products, and eye-catching decorations. Whether you're in a search of a unique keepsake or commemorate your visit or hunting for the perfect gift, these stalls offer a diverse selection that captures the essence of Thai craftsmanship and creativity. From design trinkets to vibrant textiles, each item tells a story, making your shopping spree not just a shopping but a cultural exploration. Moreover, the market caters to those with a penchant of accessorizing, with stalls showcasing an assortment of jewelry, bags, and accessories that blend traditional Thai aesthetics with contemporary flair. For those seeking a touch of therapeutic indulgence, the charm of the night market extends to stalls offering scented candles and soothing products. These aromatic havens provide a respite from the energetic pace of the market, inviting you to immerse yourself into the calming ambience created by the gentle flicker of candles and fragrances. Whether you're drawn to the rich scents of the local spices and calming notes of lavender, these stalls offer a sensory escape, allowing you to take a piece of tranquility home with you. The night market therefore becomes not just a haven for the shopaholics but also a haven for those seeking a moment of relaxation amidst the vibrant energy of the bustling stalls. On a practical note, for those in need of a quick currency fix, money changers stand ready to assist, ensuring that your exploration of the night market remains seamless. Whether you're looking to adorn your walls with artistic brilliance or need to handle currency matters, the night market caters to both the aesthetic and practical aspects of your visit, making it a truly comprehensive destination for all cultural, artistic, and logistical needs. Discover the world of artistic expression as the night market unfolds with the talents of painting artists ready to craft personalized masterpieces for you. Whether you're captivated by the vibrant landscape, abstract creations, or personalized portraits, these artists offer a unique opportunity to take home a one-of-a-kind work of art that captures the essence of your visit. As you stroll through the market, the vibrant strokes of creativity on display add an extra layer of cultural richness to the experience. In the heart of Chiang Mai, diversity takes center stage, and one manifestation of this vibrant inclusivity is the presence of the renowned ladyboys. These performers, with their captivating stage presence and skillful artistry, contribute to the city's rich cultural tapestry. The acceptance and celebration of the ladyboys are emblematic of Chiang Mai's open-minded spirit, fostering an environment where the individuals of all backgrounds and identities are not only acknowledged but celebrated. Chiang Mai's welcoming embrace extends beyond the entertainment industry, making it a destination that proudly supports and acknowledges this community. As a result, the city has become not only a travel destination, but also a symbol of inclusivity, where people from different backgrounds come together to celebrate diversity and revel in the unique experiences this dynamic city has to offer. The welcoming streets, Chiang Mai stands as a testament to the beauty that arises when diverse perspectives and identities converge. Chiang Mai's commitment to inclusivity transforms it into more than just a geographical location. It becomes a symbol of unity, understanding, and celebration, making every visitor feel not just welcome, but an integral part of the vibrant mosaic that is Chiang Mai. In this area, you can gather your friends and enjoy the culinary journey at our one-stop food court, designed to be the ultimate hub for shared experiences. The diverse array of culinary options ensures that everyone's taste buds are satisfied, making it an ideal destination for group gatherings. The shared tables become a canvas of friendship where laughter, conversations, and the joy of discovery come together, forging memories as delectable as the flavors gracing to your palates. As you indulge in the culinary delights, the food court becomes a space where cultural exchange naturally unfolds. It's not just a meal, it's an opportunity to share and appreciate diverse tastes, forging connections through the universal language of food. The vibrant atmosphere, coupled with the multitude of options, ensures that everyone finds something to delight their palate. Moreover, the convenience of our food court extends beyond the dining experience, offering a central location for planning the next steps of your night market adventure. So gather your friends, explore the flavors, and let the food court be the vibrant place where your shared culinary journey unfolds. Now let's uncover some fascinating Chiang Mai Night Bazaar trivia that adds an extra layer of richness to this iconic market. Established several decades ago, the Night Bazaar has become a historical landmark, witnessing the evolution of Chiang Mai into a bustling cultural and commercial hub. Over the years, it has become more than just a marketplace. It has transformed into a cultural institution that reflects the city's spirit and vibrancy. The market's origins can be traced back to the city's historical role as a trading center, connecting various regions and fostering cultural exchange. Today, it stands as a testament to Chiang Mai's ability to preserve its heritage while embracing the global influences that have shaped its identity. The Night Bazaar's magnetic allure extends far beyond Thailand's borders, drawing visitors from every corner of the globe. Its reputation as a must-visit destination echoes in the stories shared by the travelers who have immersed themselves in its lively atmosphere and diverse offerings. From seasoned shoppers seeking unique finds to culinary enthusiasts exploring the vast array of flavors, the market caters to a broad spectrum of interests. The Night Bazaar's popularity is not just about the goods exchanged, it's about the experiences shared. The memories created and the sense of community that blossoms with its vibrant surroundings. The market has become a cultural melting pot where people from different backgrounds converge, creating a unique tapestry that celebrates diversity and unity. As you explore the Night Bazaar, remember that it encapsulates more than just a shopping spree. It's a celebration of culture, a feast for the senses, and a communal gathering that transcends geographical boundaries. The market pulses with the heartbeat of Chiang Mai, offering an immersive experience that captures the essence of city's history, creativity, and hospitality. So, when your travels bring you to Chiang Mai, be sure to carve out time to wander through the wonders of the Chiang Mai Night Bazaar, where every stall tells a story and every interaction is a brushstroke in the vibrant canvas of this dynamic city. Until then, happy travels and may your journey be filled with delightful discoveries and delectable moments.